How to fill a custom shape with color in Canva. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the color of any custom shape in Canva to match your style, brand or theme. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over and open Canva, and then you're gonna select or upload the specific picture that you wish to change. Now you can either select from elements or you can upload it. So I'm just going to paste one here that is a picture of a shirt, or you can just upload any size or any shape you want. Now once you do select the picture, when you click on it, you'll notice some colors appear at the top. So what you're going to do is simply click on a specific color. You can see the document colors are black, red, and a bit of darker of red. So you're going to simply select any color that you wish to change. For example, I'm going to change the base layer of red. So I'm going to click on it, and then you're going to choose any solid color over here. So I'm going to choose pink. And now you can see that the document color has been changed to pink. Now, if I want these to be a bit of dark sort of pink, so I'm going to click on this and then choose any different color. So I'm going to search for pink over here. But before that, you need to know that you're going to select this color over here. So I'm going to select red because obviously you want to change the color of red. So here I'm going to change the color of red to pink. That is this sort of pink. And now here you can see that it has changed. Now if you wish to change these black, so you're going to click on this picture again, and then you're going to click on black over here. And then you're going to select for any color over here. For example, I'm going to choose this one. So here you can see how you can choose this. So now you can see that the picture has been completely transformed. First it was red and with a bit of darker red over here and black lace. So now you can see that the picture has been changed, and that was how you can change the document colors and change the shape pictures. So if you wish to upload any shape over here, for example, this is the shape. So you can totally change the color of it by clicking on this, and over here you'll be able to see a color. So you can simply click on the specific color that you wish to change and then change that. And also, if you want to change backgrounds, you can simply click on background, and then you're gonna search for any color and change the color of the background. So for example, I'm gonna click on this over here, and then I'm gonna select background, and then I want background to be strawberry almond bar like this. And now you can see that the color and shape of this picture has completely been changed. So that is how you can fill a custom shape with color in Canva. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.